Today we're gonna find out if my background in BMX is gonna help me learn how to ride an eFoil. So today we are in beautiful Fuengirola, and with me I have Mattias, who's gonna be my coach today. So what exactly is this thing?
So basically an eFoil is electric surfboard that can fly above the water without any wind or waves.
Alright, sounds good. Let's go check it out.
RayFoil is the lightest eFoil on the market, weighing only 18 kilograms.
Let's try to figure out how to put this thing together.
It's really easy.
Cool. Easier than using a bike pump.
This is the remote. Hold it.
I just kept zoning out because I was dreaming of doing tricks, not riding on my knees.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Alright, time to get wet.
First minute in, it's doing amazing.
Turns out I should have listened because it was a little bit harder than I expected really. But I did manage to stand up really quickly. But staying up and turning turned out to be a proper challenge, so I had to go back to the basics. If you accelerate too fast, it's gonna stall out then.
Well, it's getting kinda frustrating now. Like, it's so hard to understand how it works, like the speed thing. Like, am I supposed to go faster? Am I supposed to go slower? How to keep it steady. So now the coach is gonna show me how to do it for real.
As you can see, he's riding above the water. In order to get the mast out, you really have to lean forward and then go faster. So that was gonna be my next challenge. Get the mast out of the water and float like that. So let's get back in the water.
Oh, nää, tubli poiss.
Come on!
Whoa! 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 Epic!
I was getting too angry at myself and had to get some rest. Let's see if we can still do it. So now I wanted to learn how to carve. It doesn't work like a wakeboard. My knee was already pretty sore from the previous day, but now it really started to hurt me. I was starting to get more confident standing up, so I could do small dance moves like that. While my knee was getting some much needed rest, the RayFoil team members on the other hand could enjoy their time on the boards. Next to our camping spot was this awesome castle. And finally, I got to see the big bossman ride his own boards. Andres has got it so dialed. Just look at him go, just floating. It looks so much fun. Everything's under control.
So you did excellent. I think you were a really good student. You have achieved the highest level of RayFoiling now. And I think it's time to try some tricks now. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, my goal is to learn backflips on everything. So, do you think it's possible on this thing?
Yeah, backflips are easy, mate. I think you're gonna nail it.
Yeah, let's go for it. Actually, let's try jump first, maybe.
Okay, let's do the basic jump first. So I think you have to gain enough speed, sufficient speed. Then you do a little pop. And once the board starts to lift up, you just do whatever you do.
Back and then pull back. Yeah, sounds easy.
Like every time. Yeah.
Turns out that the ollie doesn't work like it does on a skateboard, and trying it resulted in a lot of crashes. So now it was time to see if I can come up with some other tricks. So now it's been a few days since my eFoiling adventure, and I managed to injure my shoulders on my bike. So yeah, I can't really master the eFoiling thing. So what do I think about it, and would I do it again? Yeah, definitely. It was heaps of fun. It's different, way too different from what I expected really. In a way it's like riding a motorcycle, you know, like having to understand how much throttle to give, but having to balance at the same time. In the first half an hour or so, like the biggest trouble for me was the seawater being too salty. It got into my lungs and stuff, and it just felt so uncomfortable. Like probably the easiest way to learn eFoiling or just foiling in general is like a still water lake maybe, like without any waves that might throw you off, so you can focus on the balance and then getting the throttle right, like understanding how high up you can go and play there, like don't go too fast maybe. Jumping probably takes a while to understand. As I understand, actually getting the board out of the water is the easier part and landing is the harder thing. I mean, if I had more time, I could probably learn it and master it, but I think that's gonna happen some other time. I would really love to learn how to ride the thing properly, like do some tricks and stuff. So yeah, huge thank you to the RayFoil team for inviting me out here to try their foils. And if you are interested in trying it out, go check out their website. I have a description link, go down below. Right, one more thing, actually, if you have some cool sports that you think I should try out, then let me know in the comments section. And yeah, catch you guys soon. Peace.